Yang, where you at? It's Gramz Yungn and it's about to go What's up, y'all? I'm gonna do my very first cooking with me video. But it ain't really like no real like cooking. I'm just gonna show y'all how to dang, I can't talk. I'm gonna show y'all how to whip up a quick meal real quick, you know what I'm saying? It's my specialty. You know, I can't cook nothing else. But I can get in the kitchen and I can do this, baby. I can do that. And I can do this. And I can do that. I'm gonna get a plate of chili cheese fries. But I make it my special way. I'm not sure if anybody does it like me. If you do, comment Team Gramz down below if you make your chili cheese fries the same way I do. However, I am gonna start by washing my hands since I just blew my nose. That's all you get. Baby is in the bathroom doing her makeup. Oh yeah, hold on, wait. I forgot to tell y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and you subscribe. Cause there won't be no me without y'all, but you gotta let me know that y'all are here for me. You get what I'm saying? Like, let me know that y'all here for me, cause there won't be no me without y'all. So, you get it. Alright, back to what I was about to do. So I use 4-item shoestring fries. It doesn't taste good to me unless it's shoestring fries. I can't eat those thick those potato fries that thick. It just won't taste good if you got waffle fries. Any other fries, you just want to use shoestring fries. I prefer 4-item. So you're gonna get you some of this. You're gonna get you some oil. What oil? You're gonna get you some oil. And then you get the chili. I use Armor chili. No beans, all meat. Man, when I see this junk taste so good, y'all. Then you need, I'm gonna pull that out last. I'm gonna show you real quick though. You need Kobe Jack cheese. This is the only time I eat Kraft cheese. I absolutely hate Kraft macaroni. However, I will use the shredded cheese, but I'll Velveeta that damn thing. But we ain't gonna pull this out just yet. We don't need it just yet, because you wanna get your oil together. Baby! You want some fries? I take that as a yeah. Yes, because you ain't gonna be eating off my plate. How many of y'all got a girlfriend that always talk about, oh no, I ain't hungry. But when they see you with your food, they want to ask for everything that's on your plate. Yeah, that's her. I got one. But anyways, you're gonna get the pot out. She gonna scream in a minute. What are you doing? Baby, what is you breaking? You wanna rinse this out? If anybody knows my girlfriend, you know my girlfriend don't like when I use dish detergent inside of her pots. If you know my girlfriend. And my girlfriend is Lily. Lily, yours goddamn truly. I don't use measuring cups, because like I said, this is a real quick whip it up meal real quick. However, you pour however much you think is enough. Don't get the questioning me. Alright, that should be enough. Looks like half the bottle. You know, if you black, Puerto Rican, Latino, Hispanic, you know, we like to reuse our oil. Alright, turn this bad boy on, get it working, get that oil heated up, and I'm gonna make this like in the next 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna wait till the oil's heated up and I got the fries in there. Then I'll start heating up my chili. Cause I don't wanna leave it on the pot too long. But I forgot to tell y'all, I have a beautiful audience that's behind this camera. Not just you guys, but let me show you. Hey, handsome. You watch your mama make you some French fries? You want some French fries? Here, his bed looking all handsome and being nosy. Hey, Poppy. Back to me, you know what I'm saying? What really matters in life. Gramz. Y'all liking my channel so far? Let me know. If there's any videos you would suggest me doing, comment, you know, down below. Or you can email me. I check my email all the time. Email me, you know, what you would like for me to do. And I'll try to deliver it, you know what I'm saying? But, this looks like it's getting a little bit more heated. Let me put this up, so I'm trying to clean up, because once my food is done, baby, as soon as that food's done, I ain't gonna want to do nothing else but eat. I don't know why baby got these spaghetti strings out. She's weird at times. And then you want to turn. You heat that up. Let me see what else. I'll be back. We're gonna let that heat up and I'll be back to talk to y'all. I'm back, y'all. I done went and got jazzy. I got the ring light so y'all can get to see what's popping, you know what I'm saying? I look a little better in the light. I just got done pranking Lily. I'm about to make that video go live in like an hour. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Y'all make sure y'all catch the video, the prank. That joke was funny as hell. Like, my chest still a little bit open from smoking that cigarette, y'all. Y'all gonna watch it. Lily her reaction was priceless. She was mad as hell. Yeah, make that song for me, baby. That's exactly what I want to hear. Yeah, you don't know from me, shouting. I love shoestring fries. I gotta make enough for me and baby, because baby hungry too. Even though she had to think about it if she really wants some. So I'm making enough for 2 people. You just put those fries in the oil. Oh, now I'm cool. Sorry, I just dropped it. Put those fries back in the fridge. Close them nice and tight. Pick up that French fry drop on the flizzo. Put this in the garbage. Now when you're making French fries, you want to fry them long enough until you start seeing them float. Normally when they're floating at the top of the oil, that means that the French fries are cooked. Now while that cooks, now I want to go ahead and put my chili in the pot. I'm going to use just a small one, small little fry. Y'all seen that video that's been floating around on Facebook where they said that we've been holding, the What the hell is this thing? I forgot. A can opener wrong all our lives, and they showed it where you're really supposed to open it like this or something. But we've been doing it from the side. I gotta find it. That joke was crazy. I seen a part of it, but I ain't watched the whole thing. This is the easy way for me. I'm gonna do what I know, baby. Once you learn something, it's hard to unlearn it. Wee. Look at shit. Look at. Alright, y'all, you want to get your strainer ready so you can drain the fries. Strainer. Me, I like to put napkins in there. I like to put napkins in my strainer. See? And you slowly start picking out the french fries. Yep, they nice and fried, so you want to start getting them out. I like to use pretty much an open spatula, so the oil can drain itself on the way to the napkin. There you go. That's how you make a quick trap house meal. That's my Ratchet meal. Now, if you want more cooking with me videos, oh, it's so good. Y'all, it's so good. It's so good. If you want more trap house videos like this, comment down below. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you show love. Because guess what? We lit!
I'm living my best life. Yeah, yeah. I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's, you know.